So this is how to edit tables on Apple Notes once the Notes app is opened up. First off, press where you want to add a table, slide this bar, press the in between the paperclip and the list, press on the grid looking thing. This creates a table. Now if you want to edit it, you can add some rows and columns by pressing the three dots above and below. You can add, you can delete, you can do what you got to do. If you actually want to add stuff in it, you can go ahead and just type. So, I don't know, hello, bye, yo, whatever the case may be. You can also just slide this bar as well and get creative. So if you wanted maybe something to be bolded, you can type in bold. You can you can select it, you can bold it, you can highlight it, do what you got to do. You can get creative that way just by editing the table. And if you want to maybe do less rows or whatever, you can always delete columns this way and just kind of go that way. So that is how to edit tables on Apple Notes. Nice and easy. Hope this helps.